Most countertop failures don't happen because of the material. They happen because homeowners don't understand what they're choosing. No countertop is indestructible. Granite is strong. Wood is stains if not sealed. Marble scratches and etches. Quartz can crack from heat. Porcelain is extremely durable, but only if it's fabricated correctly. Choosing based on looks alone is where most people go wrong. The biggest failure points aren't the surface. They're the details. Sink cutouts, inside corners, and edge profiles. If those aren't reinforced properly, or if the fabricator cuts sharp inside corners instead of a radius, you're building in a crack before it's even installed. Heat is another silent killer. Quartz can fracture. Thermal shock can crack weak areas. Don't treat your counters like a workbench. Most damage actually happens after installation. During construction, protect your tops. Confirm reinforcement. And make sure the fabrication details are right. If you want to avoid expensive mistakes before your project starts, get an independent countertop review link below.